about ex-boyfriend, say mo learn how to dey forget about them. So my own for his side, I be say I no go forgive am due to wetin the man do me. You know say am so. So na me and the man dey stay together. Wetin I wan talk so, if I lie, if I drink water, no get peace. You understand? So na me and this man, so now they stay together. We don already dey plan together. He don dey tell me say, don't promise me marriage, everything. So me, I dey work, I no do road work. I get life contract. So the man now say they meet with his ex-girlfriend. His ex-girlfriend don already get 3 children for another man for Nigeria, but she can't later carry them come Europe. So the man vow, he tell me, he swear everything. He say he not get anything to do with that woman. Say, however, if he want to marry, you know, if he marry a woman when they say they already bought 3 children for another man. And the woman's first daughter was about 18 years. This was now 2 years ago. So to my greatest surprise, I come dey house when they say this woman can't carry belle come to say he don't get belle for the man. And for that one, I dey aware say the man always dey go dey meet the woman. The man tell me say he get pity for the woman. You to say now let the woman they take care of her 3 children. So in the help the woman, they carry the children, they go school. So I say, no problem. I'm not telling you me no help the woman. You feel go the help her. But I don't know say the man they go they sleep with the woman. I reason I say now me and you there as I be young, I never felt born. Now me and him, now they have he see the work. So I know reason I say see go they sleep with that woman. But Christmas period, because he say the woman now come to say she don't get belle for the man. So this one, so I sit there with the man. No, the man not deny her. The man tell me say, what God proposed, man disposed. That was the statement made the man tell me. So I take her like that. The man not won't allow me come up for the heart first before he begin to carry this woman. They come the house, the apartment where people got at day. I can't get to leave the room for them, for their 2. I can't go to sleep parlor with the man friend. He and the woman go dey stars, they go they play love, they go they laugh, I'll dey parlor for them, I'll dey cry. I can't see her before I can't come up for them. I can't see self-contained. I can't beg the man say, you to say contract or paper may I get, you know let me say carry the heart. I can't beg the man, I beg, help me with your contract of paper, may I use to support my own. The man not give me. Because tell me say his wife say you don't want anything may go connect with us again. So I can't take command for there. So because of that one, if I dey bath, I go dey swear for the man. I thought say he know the lie go better for her. Anytime when I tell look a picture, I not bring block her. I can't go they look at Facebook, they look everything. I can't see everything. Maybe say yeah, this woman so they do. You see now I can't begin to tell me I can't they drink, I'll they cry.
Okay.
Not can't they go work again, nothing. But I can't see another person. Just to wait till this man now do me. I not feel say, man, I love this person, man, I feel with all my heart. I can't begin to transfer the annoying and put for the new person who be I see. I can't begin to transfer and put for your body. But at the time, I can't get to say, this boy, man, they with he love me, but I don't really love him due to what the other one do to me. I see they follow her for Facebook, they follow her for everywhere. They I can't block her. I can't block him number. As I can't block him number, and I can't begin get the heart now to feel love this one so now. The man now come begin to call me back again. When they call me, I call, he don't miss me, So I can't tell the man, say, I swear for her. I tell him, say, you know, go lie better for her. So the man can't tell me, say, I beg. Now can't tell me, say, but I don't already forgive you. The man now can't tell me, say, for you to know, say, me don't really forgive her. I said, I can't greet her. As I can't read that, I can't begin to they touch me. He wants to sleep with me. I can't say, I can't say, if I continue to say, man, I tell the man, say, I don't forgive you. The man thought I must talk to her for you to know, say, for you to believe, say, me forgive her. As I come reason, say, if I say, okay, I forgive you. You never will come beg me before I tell you, say, I don't forgive you. Because why? They say forgiveness, it will make you get peace.
Okay.
Because anytime when they say, I take I go, they cry, I'll go to check picture, where I keep our 2 pictures. So I can't delete everything. I can't block a contact, can't do everything. So, me not say, not delete my own. So, if I say try, I just see, I say they try to call me. Just to say I block the number. So, I know they get the call. So, if now I can't go use another number, now can't they call me. Now I can't say, I don't forgive you. You can't see me for work. God to say, me I follow and go out. me we just go sit down talk for me to dream no say me don't forgive her. So only then I go see touch me. So all those good memories now when I don't forget, they come back to my mind again. I can't go see go forgive me. I can't
you go come up for new man, go meet you, he can't touch you again.
Yes, he tell me say so I to believe say me don't really forgive her. So as I can't reach out, my conscience now can't dey judge me because me I be girl when be say I know they cheat. I can't tell the guy when be say I deal with. I can't see what I do or I beg forgive me. Now I can't tell me say no problem. Say he forgive me. Say he already tell me say he understand what I dey feel. He understand what I pass through. Say no easy. Say woman, you deal with man. Don't to move her for the room. I can't leave him with another woman. They go dey play love you. Go to the sleep parlor. Say he understand the drama when this I pass through. But now the man now they call me back again. He won't tell me say that he won't marry me as a second wife. He go carry me, he go travel, he go carry me come up for Italy. That go start my life from another country, like England. Now go answer over my dead body. Man when be say don't say now come make one statement for her. Now go say snake when don't say bad person. Even say you fit carry that snake, make friend with her. If you want bite it tomorrow, you know go fit think her. Now go say this one something I play with. He loves me and I like her. You know, since when I stayed there without that man, so he never wanted buy me time. He never buy me time. Anytime they do space for us, that's what body go the pepper, body go the pepper. I mean they do everything. But this one, so when this I deal with, now they do everything. Clothes on now, go buy. You know, do poor for money when this I go they work. Instead, come begin the everyday time. Tell me, say, I wanted they use my money. Now begin to do something for her.
Okay, now. Now, is there your mind to go back to your ex or you want to stay with this one where you did?
No. I don't even dream myself of because when I deal with that my ex that time, I don't even marry. The woman now don't born 2 children for her. You don't marry.
But now he want me you come be second wife.
Yes, he want now I come be second wife.
I beg, forget about not be what I preach today be this. Delete time, make you forget time.
Why this I dey talk this one be say that time when this I never delete the picture. I already think about her.
Okay.
But this one become this I can't delete the picture. I can't block her for social media. I can't block his number. I don't know who the reason matter again. Now my mind now can't dey focus with the one that I deal with.
So I took why you now.
Ma.
Oh, I tell people so now here when you block a picture you need to have a piece. You can concentrate with Piania Barrow.
Yes. Because that time, if I didn't work, I go check our chat, I go check the picture, I go check her for social media. If I call her, if you're night day, if I want night day with, I'll begin the best for her. I'll be insult her. You go, they look me. I know you don't go touch me. Sometimes I go slap her, I go push her, I go, they look me. But when it comes, I can't take block this guy, so can't block and block everything concerning. So I can't get peace. My mind I can't get peace.
Okay. God
sometimes
bless
I go almost see and say, go almost dress past me. It will not the blow up for me. I just check out for her. Because why this sometimes I go almost and say, I may enter car, may drop me. But why this I refuse to enter the car because I enter the car, now I can't begin to touch me. You can't tell me.
So you need to know that so that you can love the man. Okay, thank you. It's okay like this. God bless you.
Thank you, ma.
God bless
you.
So
advice, Mama Yore, advice when this I want give girls, when this boys don't break their heart, when they try to block the boys.
Okay.
When they block them, when they delete their number. And only picture when they say they are two guys snap together, when they delete them, when they don't think about it, when they will get peace of mind.
Now what I preach
because they are stressed, neither they hot.
Now what I preach today now, God bless you. Remain blessed.